As the temperatures dipped and winter settled in, the Thompson family huddled indoors, cozying up with warmth. But after a few days, something didn't feel quite right. Dust seemed to appear from nowhere, the air grew thick, and with each run of the furnace, a stale odor lingered. The kids woke up stuffy, Dad's allergies flared up, and a cloud of fatigue enveloped them all. It didn't take long for the Thompsons to uncover the issue. It wasn't the outdoors causing the trouble, it was their air ducts. Years' worth of dust, pollen, and debris were circulating through their home. Determined to breathe fresh air again, they called
push
Dirty
into
Ducks
the appointment
Boise.
and Dad gives a thumb.
Equipped with powerful tools, the team swiftly cleared the vents, restoring their home's airflow. Equipped with powerful tools, the team swiftly cleared the vents, restoring their home's airflow. That night, the air felt revitalized, and the family slept soundly, enjoying peaceful dreams. As winter approaches, ensure your ducts are clean. Call Dirty Ducks Boise today.